front of me is DOOGEE X55 and let me show you how to set up PIN to your SIM card on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select security, and now click on set up SIM card lock. And now click on change SIM PIN if you would like to change it. But at first you have to enter the old one, and now enter the one that you would like to have right now. Re-enter it to confirm, tap on OK, and that's it. As you can see, SIM PIN has been changed, so that would be all. Obviously you can switch off this protection by tapping on this switcher, enter code, tap on OK, and now it will not be required. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.